Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can delete Roblox t-shirt you made. So in order to delete the Roblox t-shirt that you made, you just have to simply follow the steps. First of all, you could go to the create section from the home page, and while you're on this page, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So right on this page, you can go to the creation section. As you do that, it's going to take you to this field. Now you go to the avatar items, and on this page you should be able to see the t-shirt that you've made. Since I haven't made anything, so when you actually see the t-shirt that you made right over here, you could go ahead and right click on your mouse, but then you'll find no such option as to delete your t-shirt. Unfortunately, Roblox does not have a feature of deleting your t-shirt that you've created. The only thing you can do is you can create a new one and you can just leave that as it is. That is basically what you can do in order to delete your Roblox t-shirt that you've made. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.